Should you buy a new dirt bike? My dad always told me that if you don't have the cash to buy something, then don't buy it. Well, I want to explain the pros and cons of buying a new versus a used dirt bike so that you can make the best decision and just use your money wisely. So the advantages of buying a new dirt bike are that, well, it's brand new. No one's touched it. There's no problems that it should have unless there's some weird manufacturer defect. So you know what's been done to it and you can maintain it so that it's going to be very reliable. You don't have to worry about someone else that's messed with it or not maintained it. You can put your own mods on it and no one else has touched any bolts or lost anything for it. So a new dirt bike, you're not going to have any problems with it for a long time, hopefully. You can go out, ride it, and just do the simple maintenance, and you don't have to worry about parts wearing out for a while. The problems are, obviously, it's expensive to buy. I mean, new dirt bikes are anywhere from $5,000 to $12,000, and that's a lot of money if you're just making an average income. You might have to take out a loan, and honestly, I don't recommend taking out a loan on a dirt bike because it's going to lose value the instant you take it off of the lot. That's one major disadvantage. So you might spend $12,000 on it out the door, and then as soon as you take it out, it's worth $10,000. So it instantly loses value, and if you took out a loan on it, and for some reason you need that cash, well, you're going to have to dump the bike, and you're going to lose that $2,000. Another disadvantage is, well, a used dirt bike, it's going to get scratches anyway, and if you're buying it for your first dirt bike, you're likely going to tip over and it's not going to look pretty like it did when it was brand new. Buying a new dirt bike may also be a disadvantage if you don't know what you're looking for. So for example, you're looking for your first dirt bike and a buddy may recommend getting a brand new 300 two-stroke or a 450 four-stroke, and you're like, oh yeah, that sounds good. I rode a 800 or 1,000 liter back in the day on the street. Well, 450 shouldn't be too much power, right? Well, whether you're inexperienced or you just buy the wrong type of bike for the riding that you're doing, it's easy to buy the wrong bike and regret it because it's frustrating to ride for the type of riding that you're doing. So that's why I want to give you a list of the top 10 best used dirt bikes that are good for beginners. So they're going to be cheap and reliable. The link is in the description below. This is Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more, so you can stay safe and have fun for many years to come.